Imagine a contact center. Where AI agents automate and resolve more interactions at scale. Improve quality with real-time oversight and coaching. Simplify setup configuration and governance. Service reps, supervisors, admins, so teams can focus on what matters most, deliver more impact, and move faster. This is So at Work. Self-service and assisted service working as one. Real-time voice AI, messaging. Intent understood. Context carried forward. Guidance in the flow of work. Turns into smarter decisions. Real-time quality evaluation across AI and human agents. Issues surfaced instantly. Coaching in the moment. Move from setup to scale. Fast. Channels configured. Conversation orchestration. Faster time to value. All on a shared intelligence layer. Connecting data and signals. Learning across interactions. This is the Agentic Contact Center, built to execute service at scale. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit like and subscribe to the channel. There are many more videos ahead about Microsoft technologies and how they can help your business. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.